Your bathroom shelf is likely already crowded with glass bottles that promise to change your life overnight. We have all been more than a little skeptical when seeing a viral sensation taking over every social media feed. The Madagascar Centella Probio-Cica Intensive Ampoule from the brand Skin1004 is currently the center of that storm. People are obsessed with it. They talk about it like it is the ultimate solution for every skin woe you could encounter. Let us get down to the actual truth. Is this bottle worth your hard-earned money? Or is it just another overhyped trend? The formula is actually grounded in some very real science. It uses fermented Centella Asiatica, which is a gold standard for soothing. It also brings probiotics, ceramides, and panthenol to the party. These ingredients are fantastic for anyone struggling with a damaged skin barrier. They help keep moisture locked in and external irritants out. But let us talk about that probiotic claim for a moment. It sounds high-tech and futuristic. In reality, you are mostly just getting incredible hydration. The whole microbiome transformation idea is a bit of a stretch. It is more of a supporting actor than a lead star. One of the best things about this product is the way it feels on your face. The texture is lightweight and has a beautiful milky quality. It does not sit on top of your skin. It absorbs quickly and leaves zero stickiness behind. This is a huge win for anyone who hates the feeling of heavy products. You can layer it easily between a toner and a moisturizer. It fits into almost any routine without causing any drama. Now, let us manage expectations. This is a calming agent. It reduces redness and makes your skin feel more resilient over time. It is not going to cure your acne. It will not fade deep pigmentation. It is not going to give you a brand new face by tomorrow morning. It is a maintenance product. Think of it like a daily vitamin rather than a powerful medicine. Some users say it is their holy grail for sensitivity. Others feel like it did not do much more than a basic moisturizer. Both of those things can be true. If your skin is currently screaming for help because you overexfoliated, this will be your best friend. If your skin is already healthy, you might not see a massive difference. You only need 1 or 2 drops to cover your whole face. Pat it in gently once or twice a day. It is especially useful if you're already using strong actives like retinoids. It acts as a buffer to keep irritation at bay. You are paying a bit of a premium for the brand and the hype. There are definitely cheaper alternatives on the market. However, the formulation here is very elegant. It is a solid investment if you want a reliable, gentle, and soothing step in your daily ritual. It is a legit product with real benefits. Just do not expect it to perform miracles. It is a steady hand in a world of aggressive skincare. Use it for what it is, and you will likely be very happy with the result. By focusing on repair rather than transformation, you can appreciate the subtle way it balances your complexion. Skincare is a marathon, not a sprint, and this ampoule is a reliable partner for the long haul. It keeps things calm so you can keep moving forward.